Hi, I'm Susan from Oasis Beauty, and today we're going to chat about eczema. Now, eczema is a condition where the skin has become very dry and flaky and itchy, and it's a condition where the barrier function of the skin is compromised. Now, we don't know what causes eczema, although it is a lot more common in families with a history of hay fever and asthma. So there could be some sort of allergy correlation there, but that hasn't been proven. So the most important thing with eczema is to manage the itch and the dryness and the flakiness. So first of all, I strongly recommend, if you or anyone in your family has eczema, that you actually get an accurate diagnosis from a medical professional, because dry flaky skin can be a number of conditions and we need to know what we're treating. So go and see your doctor, your GP or your dermatologist, and get an accurate diagnosis. And if your GP or dermatologist prescribes topical creams, then that's perfectly fine to use. The next step in managing eczema is to keep the skin well moisturized. Now, even though the skin is very thick and flaky, the skin barrier function isn't working very well, and the skin is losing a lot of moisture. It's not like sweating, it's just losing moisture, which is why it's dry and cracked. So moisturizing is key. And I'm not talking about just twice a day moisturizing, I'm talking about frequent moisturizing throughout the day. So Rhino Repair is an extremely valuable product for your family, for anyone who has eczema. So ideally, we're going to be putting it on nice and thick, like icing on a cake, and then massaging it in. But you can also carry a small tube around in your bag and reapply it throughout the day, or teach your children how to reapply throughout the day, especially in the very dry, itchy areas like the fissures in the elbows and behind the knees. Keep fingernails short and try to avoid itching as much as possible, because the more we scratch, the more we itch, and the more we itch, the more we scratch. If you want any more information on eczema, hop onto our website and have a look at all the information we've got there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.